What's the meaning of bestow? Bestow. Bestow.
Bestow. Bestow. The word bestow means to give something as a gift or to present it as an honor or privilege. It implies a sense of generosity, kindness, and intentionality in the act of giving. When one bestows something upon another person, they are showing them favor or granting them a special opportunity or advantage. This can be applied to many different scenarios, such as bestowing a title or award, bestowing a blessing or a curse, or simply bestowing a small gesture of kindness. Overall, the act of bestowing is a way of showing appreciation and extending generosity towards another person.